New from Hasegawa, it is the Toyota MR2 AW11 late version G Limited supercharger with the T-bar roof for the 1988 model year kit. Just got released and is one of their new toolings for 2021. 1/24 scale semi-curbside kit, and it is going to be today's What's in the Box. And taking a look now at the body. As you can see, it is a multi-piece body, molded in white. Now taking a look at parts tree D and YA. It has more body pieces, mirrors, looks like part of the front bumper, yeah. And now taking a look at parts tree B, which is going to have the interior bucket, the chassis, frame piece, hood, and some other various body pieces. I'm taking a look now at the frame underside, which is nice. Take a look at the interior tub. The engine compartment. Hood, trunk, I guess technically. The bumper, the rear window piece, spoiler. Now we're taking a look at parts tree SC and C, which you have a hardtop roof option, as well as some hood vents. You have two different choices of hoods. You have a dual vent into that style, so I'm guessing one for the supercharger. That might be a little helpful. At the top of the headlight covers, or the headlight doors. And now we're taking a look at parts tree F, which is mostly suspension parts and underside parts and some engine parts, sort of. So here we have front strut springs, underside of the engine, transmission, oil pan, and the rear struts, where the engine piece, that lower engine piece is going to attach to. We have the top part of the engine. This is what basically you're going to see when you open up the hood. Brake rotors, tie rod, rear suspension, and now we're taking a look at parts tree G, which has a little bit of everything, some interior pieces, suspension pieces. I'll start up here with the dash. You have the dash. You have the steering column and other interior pieces there, gear shift levers. SB, we have automatic choices and a separate pedal there, brake pedal looks like. And you have just part top of the dash, the headlight buckets. A pop-up headlight bucket. Front suspension, as well as the exhaust. more suspension pieces. It looks like some the half shafts, the CV axles, sway bars. Now we're taking a look at parts tree L, which has the door panels, the center console, steering wheel, radio, HVAC, control piece panel, grill, and I'll take a look at parts tree Q, which will be the seats. You see they are basically three-piece seats. Taking a look now at parts tree M, which is the chrome parts tree. We have headlight chrome interior buckets, the taillight chrome buckets, all right, taillight panel pieces, rearview mirrors, side view mirrors, excuse me, as well as some pair of exhaust tips. Now we're going to take a look at parts tree U, which is the clear parts tree. You can see it's pretty full. There's a lot of clear parts on here. So here you have the T-bar roof panels, as well as the rear taillight panel, which is all one piece. You'll have to do the detail painting on it, but that's okay. Here you have the rear windows, side windows, windshield with the headlight lenses, indicator lenses, marker light lenses. And now we're going to take a look at the wheels, which are satin chrome plated. And now we're going to take a look at the Nothing Special blank sidewall roundy rounds. Now we're going to take a look at the last couple of things, look at the decal sheet and the window mask. First, the window mask sheet, which has the windshield, side windows, and the roof panels. And onto the decal sheet, which has some options there. You have trim decals, vent decal, instrument cluster, HVAC radio decals, a lot of Toyota badging, supercharger decals, various badging scripting. Pretty full decal sheet. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Toyota MR2 AW11 late version G Limited supercharger with the T-bar roof kit from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. And that, they say, is a mouthful. And yes, if you want to get yourself some Toyota MR2 color matched paint, you know where to go. Jameson Scalefinishes should be able to hook you up with some. So on that note, thanks for watching. See you next time.